After extensive refurbishment, Salt House, a former co-op hall, has now become the new home for worshippers of the St Swithin's Church. Axis Mechanical and Electrical Consulting engineers based in Nottingham specified luminaires from Luceco with the support of the Luceco projects team. St Swithin's Church, located in Lincoln, could no longer be used for services due to the condition of the building, so an alternative property was sought after. Salt House, located directly opposite the church, has now been converted into a community church complete with a cafe and social hub for charities and social enterprises. Dimmable suspended lux frame luminaires were used in the main area. Lux frame is a minimalist LED luminaire designed for ceiling grid applications or suspended as a pendant luminaire as at Salt House, enabling the creation of imaginative and contemporary lighting designs. IP-rated lux panels were installed in the kitchen, with surface and recessed platinum luminaires fitted in the servery and reception areas. Now a contemporary church and community hub, Salt House will be the new home for over 450 members of glorious St Swithin's. Read the full case study and get support with your lighting design project by visiting our website, luceco.com.